Torch rallies were carried out across valley districts in support of JFD's demand to postpone the census exercise until NRC is updated in Manipur. People have been demanding the postponement of self-enumeration exercise of census until NRC is updated to identify illegal immigrants in Manipur. People have been insisting that the timing of census is inappropriate as thousands of people continue to take shelter at relief camps. In the torch rallies that were held last night, people chanted slogans such as "No NRC, no census."